So you found an immigration attorney that you feel comfortable with on social media. That's great. But how can you ensure that that lawyer that you found on social media is a real and licensed lawyer and is not an unlicensed notary or a fraud? The first question you should ask during your consultation is, are you licensed to practice law? And if the answer is yes, the second question should be, in what state are you licensed in? Remember, an immigration attorney can practice law across the nation like me, since immigration laws are federal laws. As long as your case didn't bring up a state law issue like arrests in different states, in order to practice law, we have to have at least a license in one state. Then, once you have that state, you go online and you look up the directory of lawyers for that state. For example, if the lawyer says I'm licensed to practice in the state of Florida, you can search the directory of the state bar by Googling or searching State Bar Directory. The attorney that you found on social media should appear on the State Bar Directory. So, you're not done yet. Once you have that information, go on the profile and verify the following. Number 1, that their license is current. And number 2, that they haven't been disciplined or are currently in probation. Again, I'm Angelica Jimenez, immigration attorney, and follow us for more.